The golden-headed box turtle is listed by the ICM 2010 red list as critically endangered. This turtle is highly endemic species only occurring in the streams along the branches of the Qingyi River in the highlands in Jinxian, Yixian, in southern Anhui Province in China. According to our research, the estimated distribution area covers only about 120 square kilometers. The lengths of the white population are less than 400. The species inhabits mountain streams with clear water in hilly regions and can also be found among grass and shrubs not far from the water, as well as on stone crevices along the streams. In the past, the phenomenon of killing fish with poison, dynamite, or electronic lures is common in the streams inhabited by the turtle. Furthermore, local farmers clean their equipment in the streams, often releasing high quantities of poisonous fertilizers and pesticides into the streams. But now, situations are changing, owing to the public attention. The nesting sites consist of medium-grained sand with a thickness of more than 20 centimeters, covered by liana and shrubs. But now, these nesting sites are heavily exploited by the local villager for building purposes.